Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Trust Wallet to Coinbase. But before that, if you don't have Coinbase wallet, I have a link down in the description, so you can just click on it and create your account right away. So let's get started. So from here, just go ahead and open your Trust Wallet. From here, just have to click on this one, the setting icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on that one, you will see here the wallets or the main wallet number 1. So click on this one and then you will be redirected to this page. So just go ahead and tap on this 3 dots and then tap on the manual. So here, just go ahead and tap on this. I already have a wallet. So if you don't have a wallet, you can just connect on the create a new wallet. But since we already have a wallet, just go ahead and tap on this one. From here, you will have to click on this recovery phrase. You have 2 options right here on how you sign into your wallet. So just click on this recovery phrase that you've saved on your device. And then go ahead and click on this enter manually, or you can also tap on this Google Drive backup if you have this. So just click on enter manually since we're going to be entering it manually right here. So from here, just go ahead and put here your 12-word recovery phrase. Then once you're done, just tap on this check button and then continue. So that's pretty much it. You just have to confirm the connection and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!